Hello YouTube, John here with Workhouse Customs. Today we're going to be checking out the SEESII Grease Gun coupler set. Let's get in a little closer and take a look. You can check it out on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. From there you could visit their store. They have a wide variety of tools and accessories at affordable prices too. Yeah, check them out. Go ahead and hit that like button too. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I always respond. If you like the video, hype it up for me. Let's get into this. What comes with the Grease Gun Accessory Kit Pro? First of all, I want to point out the fact that it came in this really cool case. Heavy duty coupler, 12,000 psi with upgraded 6-prong gripper, non-slip handle with a reinforced spring. Heavy duty quick release coupler with upgraded 6-prong gripper, non-slip handle, and reinforced spring. Let's get this in there. With these. Quick release. Don't forget to hit the like button. 90-degree adapter for those tight spaces. The 90-degree adapter for tight spaces. Oh yeah. Hit the link below. 39.4 inch extra long double spring hose. For that extra long reach. 39.4 inch extra long double spring hose for those hard to reach places. That's what she said. It's compatible with all grease guns, 1/8 inch and PT fittings. '90-degree angle. It even came with a little cleaning tool. Hit the link below. There's a discount code in there for you. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that link below. Get that discount code. Thanks for watching the video. This is John with Workhouse Customs, reminding you to keep it greasy with SEESII.